My name is Mike Everson. I'm a manual osteopath, registered massage therapist, and yoga teacher from Halifax, Canada. And in this course, we're going to be learning about lymphatic drainage massage. This is a technique that's been around since the 1930s and has gained immense popularity for its ability to regulate the immune system, for general health and wellness, and also for treating lymphedema and swelling. In the course, we're going to be learning about the composition of the lymphatic system, the benefits of doing this type of treatment. Then we're going to get into how to safely and effectively do the hands-on techniques, a full body massage sequence with techniques for every different part of the body, including a 15-minute facial treatment, and also lymphedema management for the upper and lower extremities. And then we'll get into the complementary therapies that you can do with lymphatic drainage. And we'll even do the fun stuff, which is a dry brushing sequence and a self-care sequence so you can see how this treatment feels in your own body. So join me for the lymphatic drainage massage certificate course.